मुझे अपने फेफड़ों के ऊपरी हिस्से में चीखने की शदीद जरूरत है।
I have an extreme need to scream at the top of my lungs. I have an extreme need to scream at the top of my lungs.
इसमें जो अल्फाज लिखे वो गलत थे।
The words she wrote were wrong. The words she wrote were wrong.
वो सारा दिन उसे नजरअंदाज करने की कोशिश करते रहे।
They tried ignoring her the whole day. They tried ignoring her the whole day.
मेरे पास अब यहाँ रहने की कोई वजह नहीं है।
I have no reason to be here anymore. I have no reason to be here anymore.
सूरत हाल में और भी था।
There was more to the situation. There was more to the situation.
वो बात करने से भी बेचैन था।
He was too disheartened to talk. He was too disheartened to talk.
बच्चे सुबह 7 बजे स्कूल के लिए रवाना हुए।
The kids departed for school at 7 in the morning. The kids departed for school at 7 in the morning.
बारिश के बादलों से आसमान सियाह हो गया।
The sky turned dark with rain clouds. The sky turned dark with rain clouds.
मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप मेरे सफर के साथी बने।
I want you to be my travel buddy. I want you to be my travel buddy.
वो कार्निवल की तमाम सरगर्मियों में शामिल हुआ।
He joined all the activities at the carnival. He joined all the activities at the carnival.